Today, I like to illustrate the MAC indicator on the fractals. The struggle with the fractals is when you discover a top, for example, here on a slider top, it could reverse up. That would be a reverse up. If you detect a bottom fractal turn, it could continue to go down. If you find another fractal top, it could reverse and go back up. Or if you find another fractal bottom, it could reverse and go down. One way to overcome that problem is using indicators. Now here we have the MACD, and we have a typical slider top here. That's a decaying fractal. Okay. Now, if you look at the MACD indicator, it crossed over, confirmed the top, and then went down. Okay, now we have a growth fractal, meaning we're going to trend up. Now, it could continue to go down, but if you look at the indicator, it crossed here, and that's a confirmation for the growth fractal to swing up, which it did all the way up here. Now we have a nested fractal top, very typical. And if you look at the indicator below here, it crossed over and it confirmed the top. It continued to go down, and we have another nested fractal here, okay, and it was confirmed here on a crossover, meaning the trend is up. Now, in terms of swing trading and day trading, if you day trading here, uh, roughly, okay, 65, 44, 20 points. Okay, you have a growth fractal, 44, 74. What is that, 30 points? Okay, you got the top here. Going back down again from 75 to 52, that's about 20 points. So why would you want to swing trade when you can easily capture the tops and bottoms on a small minute time frame? However, you need to be familiar with the decaying fractals and the growth fractals, okay? And then you can combine them with an indicator. I'm using the MACD here for confirmation, all right? So during the day here, okay, you captured what, 20, 20, 20, what is it, 60? Now, if we go to the 5 minute time frame, you have to do this in all time frames, okay? Again, you have the crossover here for the bottom, you have the crossover here for the top, and we're combining these with fractals, okay? You have a crossover here with no fractal, but on the 10 minute time frame, we did have fractal top here, okay? Now, uh, for Sunday, we have a clear 7 up here, okay? So the top is over here, but again, we don't know if it's going to reverse up. Okay, so you have to toggle between time frames. We had a crossover here, meaning we're going back up. However, if we go back to the 10 minute time frame and take a look at that same fractal, okay, there's no fractal here, but it was displayed on the 5 minute time frame. Okay, we had a crossover here, okay, meaning the trend will still be up. Okay, so here's an example of how you can use an indicator, combine them with the fractals, fractal tops and bottoms, and you have a good direction of the market. Bell fractal, it's going to happen. It may take a little time. Fractals do lag, um, and so do indicators too. So just give you a heads up on Sunday. Again, we have to toggle between a 5 minute time frame and a 10 minute time frame. The larger trend of the market, that's an entirely different story. but the smaller time frames will give you a direction to the market. Hank Wernicke signing off.